Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So, in the previous session, we continued with lesson number 2, and in today's session, we'll do the exercise of lesson number 2. So, let's begin. Bismillah. So, here on top, it is written Tamreen. Tamreen means exercise. Tamreen means exercise. Now here it is written Ikra waqtu. Ikra waqtu. Now Ikra means to read, wa means and kataba means to write. Following translation is read and write. Now, what we have to do here in this exercise is we need to read the following statements in order to improve our reading ability of Arabic, and then we need to write that in Arabic to improve our writing skills. Then we'll also translate in English for a better understanding or a better grasp of Arabic language. So, with that being said, let's begin with the first statement. So over here it is written Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Now we know that haza means this, sukkarun means sugar, wa means and, zalika means that, and labanun means milk. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukarun meaning this is sugar, wa zalika labanun means and that is milk. Haza sukarun wa zalika labanun. So we'll write it here. Haza sukarun wa zalika labanun. Labanun. Okay. Haza sukarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukarun wa zalika labanun. Meaning this is sugar and that is milk. Okay. Haza sukkarun, this is sugar, wa zalika labanun, and that is milk. Now, second statement. Man zalika. Man zalika. Man means who and zalika means that. Final translation is who is that. Man zalika, who is that? Zalika imamun. Zalika imamun. Zalika means that and imamun means an imam. Okay. Someone who leads the prayer, who leads the salah in the mosque. That person is called imam. Man zalika, who is that? Zalika imamun. That is an imam. Okay. Man zalika. Man zalika meaning who is that? Answer to which is zalika imamun meaning that is an imam. Okay. Now third statement. Azalika qattun. Azalika qattun. Now we know that a means is, zalika means that, and qattun means a cat. Azalika qattun, is that a cat? Azalika qattun, is that a cat? The answer is la zalika kalbun. La zalika kalbun. La means no, zalika means that, and kalbun means a dog. La zalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Okay. So let's write it here. A zalika kittun, meaning is that a cat? The answer is la zalika kalbun. La zalika kalbun, meaning no, that is a dog. Okay. A zalika kittun. A zalika kittun, is that a cat? La zalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Okay. Now fourth one. Ma haza. Ma haza. Ma means what? Haza means this. Okay. Final translation is ma haza, what is this? Haza hajarun. Haza hajarun. Haza means this, and hajarun means a stone, meaning this is a stone. Haza hajarun, meaning this is a stone. Ma haza, what is this? Ma haza, what is this? Haza hajarun. This is a stone. Okay. Ma haza. Ma haza, meaning what is this? Answer to which is, I'll write it here. Haza hajarun, meaning ma haza, what is this? Haza hajarun, meaning this is a stone. Okay. Now next here it is written al kalimatul jadidatu. Al kalimatul jadidatu. Now kalimat means words and jadidatu means new. Okay. So the translation is new words. So these are the new words that we have learned in this lesson of lesson number 2. The first word is imamun. Imamun means an imam. Second word is hajarun. Hajarun meaning a stone. Third word is sukkarun. Sukkarun. Sukkarun meaning sugar. Okay. Sukkarun means sugar. And last word is labanun. Labanun meaning milk. So let's revise now what we have covered in this exercise. Tamreen. Okay. Tamreen meaning exercise. It is written ikra waktub, meaning read and write. The first statement is haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza means this, sukkarun means sugar. Haza sukkarun meaning this is sugar. Wa means and, zalika means that, and labanun means milk. Haza sukkarun, this is sugar, wa zalika labanun, and that is milk. Second statement, man zalika. Man zalika. Man means who and zalika means that. Okay. Man zalika, who is that? Man zalika, who is that? Answer to which is zalika imamun. Zalika imamun. Zalika means that and imamun means an imam. Zalika imamun means that is an imam. Zalika imamun means that is an imam. Third statement is a zalika kittun. A zalika kittun. A means is, zalika means that, and kittun means a cat. A zalika kittun, is that a cat? A zalika kittun, is that a cat? La zalika kalbun. La means no, zalika means that, and kalbun means a dog. La zalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. La zalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Mahaza. Mahaza meaning what is this? Mahaza. Mahaza meaning what is this? Haza hajarun. Haza hajarun, meaning this is a stone. Okay. Haza hajarun, meaning this is a stone. And the new words that we have learned in this lesson is imamun, meaning an imam, hajarun, meaning stone, sukarun means sugar, and labanun means milk. Okay. Imamun, imamun means an imam, hajarun means a stone, sukarun means sugar, and labanun means milk. So with this, we have come to end of lesson number 2, and inshallah in the next video we'll start with lesson number 3. Until then, do subscribe to the channel and push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.